Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a topic that has frustrated many pool owners. You guessed it, we're talking about how to get rid of algae in your pool. If you've ever been shocked to see your pool looking more like a swamp than a tropical oasis, don't fret. We've got you covered with a simple, step-by-step guide to help you tackle this problem like a pro. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Test the water. First things first, you'll want to test the water to determine the pH and chlorine levels. You want a pH level of about 7.2 to 7.6 and a chlorine level of 1 to 3 ppm, parts per million. A study by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention shows that these are the ideal levels for effective sanitization. Step 2. Remove debris. Before you add any chemicals, you'll need to remove any debris from the pool using a skimmer or skimmer nets. This is essential because leaves and other floating debris can absorb the chemicals, making them less effective against algae. Step 3. Brush the pool. Take a pool brush and vigorously scrub all surfaces of the pool, focusing especially on areas where algae have accumulated. This physical removal is essential to a successful algae-killing mission. A study from the University of Arizona confirms that physically scrubbing surfaces is a highly effective way to remove algae. Step 4. Add chlorine. Time to shock your pool. For this, you can use chlorine tablets or liquid chlorine. Follow the instructions on the packaging for dosages. High chlorine levels will help kill off the existing algae and other bacteria in the pool. Step 5. Apply algaecide. Once you've shocked the pool, it's time to add algaecide. This chemical specifically targets algae and helps prevent future growth. A study from the National Swimming Pool Foundation recommends using algaecides as a preventative measure after shocking your pool. Step 6. Adjust pH levels. Now, retest your pool water. If the pH is too high or too low, you can use a pH increaser or decreaser to bring it back to the optimal level. Step 7. Vacuum the pool. After waiting for the time recommended on your algaecides packaging, vacuum your pool to remove any dead algae and other debris. Step 8. Final testing. Finally, test the water one more time to make sure the pH and chlorine levels are still in the optimal ranges. Alright folks. If you followed all these steps, your pool should be algae-free and ready for some fun in the sun. Remember, the key to an algae-free pool is regular maintenance, so make sure you're testing your water and keeping those chemical levels balanced. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Let us know how these steps worked for you or if you have other methods that have proven successful. Until next time, happy swimming!